Today we are covering the best proxies for Twitter X in 2026. Choosing the right proxy for Twitter X is critical for tweet scraping, sentiment analysis, trend monitoring, and multi-account management. The wrong proxy type leads to blocks, bans, and wasted money. This guide covers which proxy type works best, ranks the top providers, and gives setup recommendations for every use case. Twitter X has tightened API access and rate limits significantly, making proxy-based scraping necessary for large-scale data collection. Without proper proxy protection, your accounts or scrapers will be detected and blocked within minutes to hours of sustained activity. Proxies are essential for tweet collection, hashtag monitoring, follower analysis, sentiment tracking, trend analysis, and multi-account posting. Each use case may require different proxy types and configurations. Residential proxies are recommended because they provide the highest success rates and lowest detection risk on Twitter X. Alternative options include X's official API, which has a limited free tier, Knitter instances for reading, and social listening tools like Brandwatch. Bright Data is the top choice for Twitter X because of its dedicated social media scraping tools with Twitter X support. It has the largest IP pool in the industry, advanced geo-targeting, and 24/7 support with account managers. Pricing starts from $840 of 40 per is up per dollars. It's best suited for enterprise-scale Twitter X operations. OXC Labs offers reliable residential proxies with high Twitter scraping success rates. It's an excellent choice for teams that need reliable access without enterprise-level pricing. With strong success rates, competitive pricing at $6 to $10 per GBB, good geographic coverage, and solid session management. Best for mid-size operations, IP Royal provides pay-as-you-go pricing ideal for variable Twitter scraping workloads. It's affordable at $4 to $7 per GB, has decent Twitter X compatibility, and offers flexible billing. Best for small-scale projects and testing. For rotation strategy, use high rotation with the new IP every request when scraping large volumes. Use sticky sessions, same IP for 10 to 30 minutes for browsing sessions and account activity. Use static IPs for account management where you need a consistent identity. Always use proxies from the same country as your target audience or accounts. Twitter X checks IP geolocation against account settings and content access. And even with good proxies, too many requests too quickly will trigger rate limiting. For scraping, wait 2 to 5 seconds between page loads. For account activity, wait 10 to 30 seconds between actions. For API calls, respect the published rate limits. Pair proxy rotation with user agent rotation. Use current browser user agents that match your proxy's geographic location and device type. Rotate to a new IP immediately. Increase the delay between requests. Switch to a higher quality proxy type if blocks persist, and check whether your scraping pattern is too aggressive. Common mistakes to avoid: using Datacenter proxies for tasks that require residential or mobile IPs, not rotating IPs frequently enough, ignoring geo-targeting, and using US proxies for non-US content, over-automating by sending requests faster than a human would browse, and sharing proxies across multiple Twitter X accounts linked to different identities. Residential proxies are the best choice for most Twitter X use cases. For basic data collection, residential proxies may be sufficient and more cost-effective. Free proxies are not recommended for Twitter X. They're slow, unreliable, frequently blocked, and may expose your data or credentials. Even budget-paid proxies at $5 to $10 per month significantly outperform free alternatives. For scraping, a rotating residential proxy pool handles most needs. For account management, plan one dedicated IP per account or small group. A 10-account operation needs 10 dedicated proxies. A 50-account operation needs 50. Using proxies does not inherently violate Twitter X's terms, but automated access and multi-accounting do. The risk of bans depends on your activity patterns, not just proxy use. Good proxies with human-like behavior patterns minimize ban risk. Most providers offer free trials. Test by accessing Twitter X through the proxy and performing typical actions. Check for CAPTCHA sheets, login challenges, or error pages. Compare success rates across 100 or more requests to get reliable data. Well, that wraps up today's guide on the best proxies for Twitter X in 2026. If you want to learn more, head over to our website at dataresearchtools.com, where we've got guides covering everything from proxies to web scraping and beyond. Thanks for listening, and I'll catch you in the next one.